This is a configuration of TapAndGive after the first installation. So it will ask you to grant permissions for accessing the memory, the location for Bluetooth, and other requirements for TapAndGive. So we will proceed to allow. Once you do that, you can select the language and the payment provider. You can either use Square or SumUp. We'll select Square for Canada, and you can select, they have two options. One is multiple amount, where the donors will be able to select the amount on the screen. That means that you have to make the phone or the tablet accessible to the donors. Or you can select single denomination, where you can keep your phone in a secure place, put a sign, and have the people, every time somebody taps for a fixed amount, and it does that in a loop. So we'll select multiple amount. You can change it later. And so we select the country, the currency as well, that define your Square account. Here are the terms and conditions and the configuration. We'll leave everything by default. Those are the denominations, but you can change it. And 0 means variable. You can also configure a video, a logo. We'll show you that later. So these are important configuration settings. You have to have your Square account active, disable password on the Square for that location. And you can have different locations. So it gives you a little bit, some explanation. Now, the first time the application is not authorized, so you need to authorize Square so that TapAndGive can accept payment for you. So right now we're connecting to Square website, where you will be logging in with your account, your Square account, typically your email. This is secure because it's connected directly to Square, your password. They will usually have two-factor authentication, either by SMS or a phone call. We'll get an SMS. So once you receive the SMS, here you go, you can enter it. Where's SMS? As 593286. 593286. And so you want to access your Square account. You need to grant access. Those are you can remove the access later, but this is what we need. And the location. So typically you'll have one location, but you can have multiple locations into your Square account. You configure that at the Square portal, and make sure you have an email assigned to that location. And after that, you're ready to pair with the Square reader. If you have a physical one, you press and follow the normal. If you have a tap, you can authorize it here. We'll proceed with the tap. And that's it. So it should be ready to do transactions. And now you press next. Sometimes, oh yeah, it's ready. So if we tap in the back, it will proceed to accept the payment. Now the terminal is ready to do transactions. If you want to change the logo, you tap 10 times on the screen and enter your authentication. So now you're back into configuration. Go to settings, configuration, and you can select a video from your phone. Let's say this one. And yep, it shows it. And you can do that. You can select variable amounts. Thank you very much.